Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can secretly send your feelings to someone, maybe your ex, your partner, or your loved ones using the Send the Song app. So this is a new trend that you can follow, you can create by sending someone a song, and then you can write your message to them, and if you're lucky maybe they will read your message and hear the song. So this is what you are going to do. First, you can just use your browser. You can open your browser on your device, then you can just search for Send the Song. In here you can hit on enter, and then you can just scroll down until you find this web, sendthesong.xyz. So you can use this app or this page right here to send meaningful songs to friends and loved ones. You can share emotions through music, create dedication, and express your feelings in a unique way. So let's just open the web page. Okay, so this is the Send the Song, and here you can express your untold message through the song. Here you can just browse in here to see the example. You can scroll down, and these are the message and the song that someone's or others send to their loved one. You can see there will be the song in here and also the message. So if you want to send one, you can just go up, and there will be this share your message. You can choose a song and write a heartfelt message to someone special. You can tap on create message in here. Okay, so here you can just enter the recipient's name. For example, I'm going to just go write someone's name, and here you can write the message in here. For example, thank you for everything. Okay, you can just write this, for example, and then you can search for the song in here. For example, okay, I think there's not there. Let's just find a song that is similar, this is familiar, sorry. Okay, for example, I'm going to just use this ones right here, and now you just need to tap on submit. So after you tap on submit, your song will be posted, and here you can see that message deletion not available. So once your message is posted, it cannot be removed. So please ensure your messages are appropriate before submitting. So that's all for me. That's how you can use the Send the Song app. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.